Welcome back. We are now going to move to the image generation model, which is DALL-E, and DALL-E is the image generation model used by OpenAI in ChatGPT. We are going to use our prompt, and we're going to click Enter. We're going to wait for the message in search. Once we have the message in search, we are then going to wait for the image area. Once we get it, we are then going to click Generate Image. We are then first going to generate a photograph. And we're going to see DALL-E's version of the photograph. And you can now see DALL-E's version of the photograph. We're going to come back. We're going to generate another image. In this case, we're now going to generate a painting. And we're going to see DALL-E's version of a painting. And you can see DALL-E's version of a painting. We're going to come back to image generation. We are now going to choose diagram. And you can now see DALL-E's version of a diagram. And finally, we're going to close out of this image. And we're going to generate an image. In this case, we're going to generate an illustration. And you can now see DALL-E's version of an illustration. So you can use the model that you want in order to produce the image, and you can switch them when you need different kinds of images, depending on what you are trying to display or demonstrate. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.